in which position to keep actually. So that's why now I have got a good position to actually unbox this thing over here. I think I do not need any scissors to actually open this thing. It's really nice. So this mechanism was really nice to actually open this thing. You do not need any knife which you should use commonly. So on the top you get this Alexa over here. Commonly this is the Echo Dot 3rd generation. You could see it clearly, I think. I am even trying to open this thing over here for you. So like this, I am trying to okay. Yeah, this is the Alexa which I got over here. Here back 2 ports are actually present. One of them is the power cord where you have to give the power adapter, and another one is 3.5mm headphone jack. This is the black color variant which I ordered because this was available with the offer which I got with this bulb over here, smart bulb Wi-Fi. You could see it clearly now, I think. Now with this, keeping this aside, here I get something like documentations kind of stuff over here. Echo Dot written and Amazon written over here, and here also same that instructions in different languages and how to set up this thing up over here. And they are even given another card over here, things that you could try on this Amazon Echo Dot, because there are some people who cannot actually know how to use this thing or what are the features, extra features which you are getting. I think you have to read this once if you are using Echo Dot for first time. I am also using this for first time. I will go through it. And inside the box you get this thing over here. This is a 15-volt output voltage, one power cord which you are getting. For this you have to 100% connect this thing up over here to actually pair this thing on this. And let me actually open this covering up over here. So let it be like this only, and this is the cord which you are getting. It just seamlessly connects like this for the Alexa which you get in Echo Dot. It's connecting like this. So this is the thing about this Alexa. These are the 4 microphones which you are getting. This is the volume plus button, volume minus button. This is an activation button, and this is mute button. So sometimes you are saying something and Alexa actually listens it and it does the wrong commands. At that time you could use this mute button when you are not talking to Alexa. So this is the thing up over here, and coming to the bulb, it's nothing much. Just opening this and you are getting the bulb. You could see the bulb over here, and inside the bulb what you are getting is actually some documentation. This is a white tunable bulb which you are getting over here. Some documentations and stuffs are kept aside with this, and inside this nothing much except the bulb which you are getting. So I would shortly come with a review of this Alexa's Echo Dot 3rd generation. So please stay tuned, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications. I am shortly going to do a lot of technology videos like